So, the groundwork has been completed.
Now we should go to home?
Of course, but let me first examine the road. If there is some issues, we will fix it. Yellow car, go and check the road.
Okay, sir. Stay here until I came back. I will examine the road. The first bridge is okay. Oh no, this bridge is broken. We should fix it. Let me check the other way. Let's see if that road is okay. We will continue on that side because we need to go back to our campsite. Oh no, we also forgot here. We need a bridge here too. Let's get back to shore. Hello sir, I examined the road. There are two bridges we need to fix because if we get back to our campsite, we need to fix it.
Okay, that's good. Good job. So what we need?
We should send one excavator and a dumper to fix that.
Okay, it's easy. Green excavator, go and fix it. Also, yellow truck, help green excavator.
Okay, sir.
Okay sir.
Safety officer, what we need to do first?
Carry some bridges.
Okay, so let's get that bridges first. Green excavator, come here and load it.
Okay. Okay, truck, you are good to go.
Okay, let's go. The road is not still that good. We need to do some more work on it. Let's drop this first bridge here. So, the first first bridge has been dropped. Now, I need to do the same for the second one. Let's go. Yeah, just here we need to place the second one. Let's do this. So the second bridge has been also placed. Now we need some soil to fill it, and then we will get back to our campsite. So let's do it. Green excavator, we need some soil for the bridges.
Okay, let's do it.
So, the first bridge has been completed. Now we should bring soil for the second one. So let's do this. Fill it, green excavator. The first bridge has been completed. Okay, let's set up. Let's go. So, soil work has been completed. Now let's get back to surf. Hello, sir. The soil work and bridge placing has been completed. Now we should send that mini bulldozer to complete the remaining work.
Mini bulldozer, go and do that.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is the bridge. Okay, let's do it. Done. Easy peasy. Now let's go and do the second. So, the second is also completed. Yeah! Now let's get back to shirt. Hello, sir. Job is done.
Okay, now we should move to our campsite. Let's go. All the vehicle has arrived.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the small vehicle will stay up, and the big vehicle like trucks and excavator will stay down, because we don't have enough place over at the campsite.
Okay, sir. As you wish.
Yeah, of course. Tomorrow we will make some houses and also a parking area for that vehicles.
Okay.
Now come up after me.
Okay, sir. Here I come.
Sir, should I come up?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. What about me, sir?
No, you can't. You can't fit here.
Okay. I will stay down here.
Yay! I'm coming. Beep beep. Here I come.
Ooh, the bridge is so beautiful. I love it. Now let's go. Nice.
Okay, let's do it. Yay! Nice bridge. It was very quick.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Doo-doo.
That was a little rough. I will fix it after lunch.
you should make the zoo first, because I'm bringing a lot of animals. I call them there all the time. Okay, we will do it tomorrow. Not now. Okay, I think you guys forgot me. Where should I stay? Sir, there is no place for me.
You should wait there. Understood?
Okay, sir. So yeah, we will see you tomorrow in another episode. Take care. Bye.